Hey kids! What's up today? Look what we've got here. We've got a great garage set. So let's see what it makes. Makes some great noises. And when you touch the door, the garage door, makes a sound like this. See? What a great machine. And we've got this part, if you can see it.
Green.
And
Triangle. Square.
what a great machine, really. So we have also this car, and I believe if we move it a bit, makes other noises. Oh,
Hi. Welcome to the garage.
so let's open it up. Let's open it up from here. Got this. Ta-da-da-da-dum. And here it is. There it is. See, it goes right through here. Wow! We've got a huge road map. Let's see if it opens like this. What do we have here? What do we have here? Got some new parts here. What is it? What's wrong with you people, toy makers? Wait a minute. No, this. I'm gonna make a lot of videos with this toy. Ta-da!
It's for sport car.
Wow, so wow.
Let's go faster!
What is it? Ooh. This, he put it here. And we have this set of roads, bumpers. Let's see. Ramps. It's a ramp. Okay. And I assume that it goes, one of them goes here, and the other goes here, and this one comes here. Wow, that's a thing.